So this is my trade idea that I'm looking. So here we have a channel after a huge move upwards, and we are looking for a counter trade against the higher time frame trade. So when the price hit the channel, we are looking for a short, but we are not looking for a short from the first time, but we are looking for a short when we get a retest. That is my trade idea. So I'm looking for a short on a retest. So let's wait. So it is pulling up. Let's get ready to sell. Where will be our stop loss? Above this region. Why? I will explain that later. We are looking for a 1:5 or 1:1 is ideal for us. This is better. So set fair limit order. This is perfect. So we can wait for a pullback to this region. So we placed our limit order at this level for a short. For a 1:1, we are not looking more than that because the market is in a huge uptrend, not just like a normal uptrend. It is in a huge uptrend. We are looking for a quick short, nothing much more than that. So look like the market is consolidating, and we are trying to scalp that consolidating a small movement on the channel, inside the channel. So it is risky, but possible. Possible not. It is a good thing can happen, because can pull up to this level, to this. But in case it doesn't pull up to this level and come to this our target, I will close this limit order. We don't need to run that trade again. So why I put this level as my SL, because there is a reason behind that. So when we go to our daily time frame, let me close this one. Sorry, this one too. Okay, maybe I can. So when we look at daily time frame, there is a resistance there. There is a previous third April's high, and we can see that today is that day that is actually acted as a resistance. When we come to 4-hour time frame, we can see this level, this level, the same day, the candle closing level. So it may be act as a resistance zone right there. So again we come to this level in 2-hour time frame. We can see that this is a important level. So let's come to the smaller time frame, right? To the smaller time frame. Okay, it is actually coming to our TP without even hitting our target, so it's okay. There is no problem in that. It can happen. The reason I am putting this as a level, because as I mentioned earlier, that is a higher time frame resistance zone. So in lower time frame it will act as crazy resistance. So if that level is broken, we cannot expect any further movement, because that will consider as a breakout in the higher time frame. So let's not get into that deeply. This is entirely my point of view. I am not trying to convince you that this is the only method you can trade. But as you can see, my SL is 23 and my day profit is here. I am looking for a 1:1, mainly because I am counter trading against the higher time frame. So target is hit without even triggering our sell limit. Almost hit it. So gold is actually a good thing to trade during newer session. So I am removing this limit order, because we can see that price is kind of accepting that level. actually formed a bullish positioning triangle, and we can expect a crazy breakout from this one. So selenite order is getting, I'm going to cancel this order. See, our trade played out exactly like how we wanted, but as you see, it gets us exactly 1:1, and guess what happened? A breakout. Look at this. This is what we expecting, as I mentioned earlier, but I am expecting a little pullback before this big move. That is what we try to capture here, but it doesn't. This trade is not worth it. That is why I am not trying to take this trade. Later I fell asleep and missed this large move. It's okay, it can happen, and this is all about discipline and patience.